Okay, so let's do this. I have a really bad cough, so forgive me. So hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so that you don't miss any of our future videos. And thank you guys for tuning in for this baby girl haul. So without further ado, let's get started. Don't mind my face because I ran out of my foundation, and yeah, I was trying to do something for you guys so I could look presentable, but it backfired. It didn't work. It didn't work. Sorry. So let's get started and the haul. So I have a haul from Ross. No, lying. That was last week. So I have a haul from Carter's, and also someone gave me, I went to church on Saturday and someone gave me the gift. They didn't show up for my baby shower, but they brought the gift. So one of those items was this big box of swaddlers, Pampers swaddlers, and it's a size 1 and it has 100 diapers. And I don't know if I'm gonna have to take back some of these diapers because I have now 3 boxes of size 1. So I don't know if I have to exchange some of these boxes for a size 2. So if any of you guys know how I can exchange boxes of diapers at stores, because I don't know where these boxes came from. So do I just go to any random stores and just get a return? I don't know. So let me know down below what you guys think I should do. Anyways, that was that. And then the next items are from a dear friend, family friend. She got me these blankets, and they just look like this, and they're the Carter's brand, and it's 2, and I love the colors. These are so pretty, so thank you so much. And the next item that they got me are some burp cloth, and they just look like this, and there's 4 in it. So there's this one, there's other blue one, another pink one. I hope you guys can see these, and then that color, and then yeah, so it's 4. So a little sleeper, and it just looks like that. And this is not 6 months, so it just looks like this. And from the same person, I got this little bag sleeper. I think that's what you call these. These are bag sleepers. So it just looks like this. And this is 0 to 9 months. So, oh. And then they got me some onesies in size 9 months. And it just looks like this. There's 4 of them. So you have this other little color. This other little color, what? You have this color one. And then you have this one, which is white. And then you have this one, which is just a striped pink. And then you have this one, which is just polka dot, heart polka dot. And then, whoops, just the blue. This is the blue one. So thank you so much for you guys. If you recognize these items, I thank you so much. Moving on to the things. Remember last week when I told you guys that I did the unboxing and the Honest Oxy Boost burst in there? They're little pods. So the pods burst in the thing, and there was a lot of them that were burst. So I contacted Honest Company, and they shipped me out a new package. So this one came, and there's none burst in here, so they're all good to go. And it was so fast. They didn't even ask me to, you know, send a picture or, you know, to prove that I was telling the truth or anything. They just went ahead and shipped it out and told me to use up the one that I have. So that was so nice of them. So thank you so much to the Honest Company for that great customer service. I really do appreciate great customer service, because yeah. Anyways, let's get into the Carter's haul. So every week I try to go to Carter's to stock up on her Madison's baby clothes. Excuse me. And this week I went to Ross this week, and I could only find one item, and one item only, because Ross is right next door to Carter's. So I found this really cute sandal. It's not a sandal, it's like Toms, like little baby Toms, and it's just a gray, white, and yellow, and it won't focus. Yeah, there it is. So it's really cute, and I had to get that to go with, you know, her outfits. So let's dig into this bag. So the first item is this little dress, and I think this is a summer dress. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's a summer dress, but I can put tights under here and she can wear it for the fall because it has this really nice cardigan. This was on sale for $4.99, if you guys can see that. Yeah, it was on sale for $4.99, and there was an additional 25% off clearance. So I paid for something, and then I had a $10 off. So I think this dress was $2.96 after everything. So that was a good steal. And then next up is just this, and I know this looks summery, but my thinking is that she can wear a nice little cardigan over this, and like this cardigan goes great with that. You see what I'm saying? So I can throw this cardigan over top of this, that way she's not cold. And then the little leggings, and this was on sale for $6.99, and then with the additional percentage off and something, I don't remember how much I paid for it. I don't even have the receipt, but I know I did not pay $7 for this. So that's that. And then the next item that I got, this is for me, this is not baby related, but I went to Burlington, and they had these little leg warmers. These are not even leg warmers, these are boot toppers. So I got these to go with my boots, because as soon as I drop this baby, I need to get back into taking care of myself. Whatever, I don't know what that means. But you know what I mean. So let's get back to baby clothes. So the next item that I got is just this little shirt, and this is 3 months, and I'm surprised that I got 3 months, but you know, you never know. So it just looks like that, and this was on sale for $3.99 with an additional 25% off. So it's just a coral peachy looking top, and then this one is so stinking cute. This is like so cute. Like, I wish the light, and yeah, see, this is a little detail in the front, and then the little crop top, not crop top, the little, you know, long in the back and short in the front, which is real cute for a baby. I got that, and then next I got this little puppy shirt, and this was $3.99 as well, an additional 25% off, and this is 3 months. And then I got her a lot of t-shirts, and then I got her this one. It was $3.99. It just have the little art. I can't even talk. It has the heart on the front in a tribal print. Is it tribal or Aztec? I don't know. Whatever this print is, this what it is, and it's just in a nice little turquoise. No, what color is that? Blue? I don't know, river blue. And then I got her this other shirt, and it just says chirp chirp. It's like a bird, chirp. And it just looks like that, and it's like really cute. And then I got her this cat one, because I was like, if I got her a dog one, I might as well just get her a cat, because you know we have a cat and a dog. And then I got her 2 pants. You know, I have to get her pants to go with her outfits. So I found these 2 pants, and they were so so adorable. Like, look at this. Like seriously, like, and this is in the size 3 months, and this is so adorable. Like, you put this with anything, like you throw this on with that, and oh, look at her. Look at little Madison. She's like so cute. So I just I got this, and it's so adorable. I love that one. I really love that one. And then of course I have to have this one. This was $5.99, and it's so cute. Like, can you imagine little Maddie? And let me see, which top would I throw this with? You know, you pair that with that, and then where's those little boots? Pair that with that and her little shoe. Or is there any yellow top? Or you could pair this with this and then throw on her little Tom. Oh, it's not even a Tom, but Tom, whatever. You just throw these on and she's good to go. It's a cute little outfit. So that is all that I got baby Madison this week. And I was supposed to do the onesies with the iron on, but I couldn't find my iron, so unfortunately that's not going to be in this video, unless I can go try to find my iron and iron it real quick and then try to add that into this video. But thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to comment down below and thumbs up this video if you like these videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.